welcome back to Simple Picks. So for today's recap, we got a total of 33 Amazon leads coming from our online arbitrage leads. So let's check some of our deals today. From John Lewis, we could get this clinic deal with a profit of 7.47 and an ROI of 43%. Next, this Squishmallow 9.50 profit and an ROI of 136%. Another one is Charlotte Tilbury, 7.7 profit with an ROI of 38%. Another Charlotte Tilbury with a profit of 8.24 with ROI of 44%. Thirdly, this highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury again, 15.80 profit and an ROI of 62%. And lastly, this liquid concealer that you could earn a profit of 7.40 with an ROI of 31%. There you go. Few deals from John Lewis, and here are the rest of the websites that you should check today, guys. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you this channel, review giveaways, affiliate income, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested, feel free to check these channels out. A bot operated channel that we got for you is this Amazon to Amazon monitoring channel, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop from Amazon that you could also sell to Amazon itself. Next is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. So check them out because we got a lot of options for you guys. And lastly, our general and Amazon community, wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.